Hello students, today is ISS 2021 paper 1 solution, and this is from the set D. I am doing it. So this is the third video. What is the value of the limit n tends to infinity j equal to n to 4n 4n c j 1 by 4 to the power j and 3 by 4 whole to the power 4n minus j. So this looks like a binomial structure with 4n and 1 by 4 as the parameters. This is this is n and this is p. So we can write that limit n tends to infinity p x greater than equal to n, right? So limit n tends to infinity p x minus n divided by root over 3 by 4 whole to the power n is positive as well. So as a result of that, this is nothing but the expression of z. So z is positive, which is equal to half. So obviously this whole thing is providing you half as the value, and C is the correct answer. Next, for a sequence of Bernoulli trials, the fraction of successes f by n is consistent estimator of the probability of success p. Then it follows from which of the following structure. It's very easy. Sequence of Bernoulli trials, x of n comma p. So expectation of x is np and variance of x is npq. Let x by n is the fraction of success, which is given. So like we have to prove that the thing which we need to prove here, probability of this mod of x by n minus p less than epsilon tends to 1 as n tends to infinity. Then x by n is a consistent estimator of p. Okay, so we can do this thing applying Chebyshev's inequality. So here we have this thing, x by n minus p greater than equal to epsilon less than v of x by n epsilon square. So this thing, probability of x by n, this is nothing but in the very next line, this is pq n epsilon square. So this thing is actually tends to 0. So obviously Chebyshev's theorem is being applied. Option D is the correct answer. Consider a random sample of size 4, okay, from a population having a density function given as follows. If the 4 ordered observations are x1 less than x2 less than x3 less than x4, then probability of half less than x3 is what? Okay, so this is fx and these two part 2x and all. So f of, if we just calculate f of xi equal to, so this is n factorial, n minus I factorial and I minus 1 factorial into f of xi whole to the power I minus 1, 1 minus f of xi whole to the power n minus I into f of xi. So where n equal to 4, I equal to 3. So f of x equal to 0 to x 2x dx, and that is equal to x squared. So f of x3 equal to 4 factorial 1 factorial 2 factorial f of x3 whole square 1 minus f of x3 this and f of xi. So 12 x square whole square 1 minus x square, and this is 2x. So f of x3, this thing will give you 24 x to the power 5 1 minus x square. And this is yeah. So now probability of half less than x by 3 will be the integration of half to 1 24 x5 1 minus x square dx. So just calculate this thing, you will get the value as 243 by 256. 6. So I've calculated already, that's why I've put it. You can do it yourself again.